Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants including phenols and flavonoids. Phenols help fend off cell-damaging compounds in the body, which may protect against aging and disease. Their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer effects have also been well documented. Flavonoids have been linked to a broad spectrum of health-promoting effects, including protection against cancer, artery hardening, and Alzheimer's disease. Like phenols, flavonoids counter compounds that damage healthy cells and have strong anti-inflammatory effects. A pumpkin seed, also known in North America as a pepita, from the Mexican Spanish, pepita de calabaza, little seed of squash, is the edible seed of a pumpkin or certain other cultivars of squash. The seeds are typically flat and asymmetrically oval, have a white outer husk, and are light green in color after the husk is removed. Pumpkin seeds are the seeds that grow inside pumpkins. They provide protein, unsaturated fat, fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and more. A study investigating the benefits of pumpkin seeds combined with linseed found they may be helpful in preventing diabetic complications, such as high cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The hypoglycemic properties of these seeds may help those with diabetes to better manage blood sugar levels. Diets rich in pumpkin seeds have been associated with a reduced risk of stomach, breast, lung, prostate, and colon cancers. A large observational study found that the lignans in pumpkin seeds may play a key role in preventing and treating breast cancer. Further test tube studies found that a supplement containing pumpkin seeds had the potential to slow down the growth of prostate cancer cells. Pumpkin seeds are a top source of magnesium. This mineral is needed for more than 300 reactions in the body, including maintaining nerve and muscle function, supporting a healthy immune system, keeping heartbeat steady, and strengthening bones. Magnesium also helps the body produce energy and manage blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten with or without their shells. One of the substances present in pumpkin seeds is zinc by 2.17 milligrams, 19.7% of the daily value. Zinc is needed for the immune system to work properly and plays a role in cell growth, pregnancy development, wound healing, the breakdown of carbohydrates, and the action of insulin. It's also needed for the senses of smell and taste. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. Shelled seeds provide 1.1 grams of fiber in a single 1 ounce or 28-gram serving. A diet high in fiber can promote good digestive health. In addition, high-fiber diets have been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful.